Hey, Vegan Glam Girl here. Welcome back to my channel. Please make sure you subscribe. I am going to be fixing my nail. Oh, it's the worst, right? So, of course, these are really trending right now. The extra long coffin nails that they do tend to break. I found a really cool trick to fix this. It's going to be super easy. All you're going to need is, this is the most important thing, you're going to need to find the nail. So I know it's really gross, but I was reaching in my car because I couldn't grab my mask. I had to grab it and my nail caught on my seatbelt and it ripped off, okay? So if you have a coffin nail that breaks right before it gets to down here, you're in luck because you could just glue it right back on. I actually did the same exact thing for this one and it totally worked, but I'm gonna show you when I went to my nail place. She didn't even notice, I know. So the other thing you want to do is you want to get glue. I actually accidentally got Claire's glue. Not accidentally, but I was at the mall and my nail broke and I wanted to buy glue immediately. And Claire's was the only place that I could find that had nail glue. But I also recommend Kiss, which is a fantastic glue. But surprisingly, you guys, this stuff was the bomb.com. It is a little pricey. It was $9.99, $10, but you have it and you can use it plenty of times. It is from Claire's and it is the paint on, which I absolutely love. It's a paint on. It's a paint on. It's a paintbrush. All right, this is all we're gonna do. We're gonna take some of this glue. You want to take a lot of it. Be aggressive. You are first going to put some of the glue just right on top. Now, again, like I said, the more, the better with this. Okay, but this works so good. Your mind is going to be blown. It beats having to go back to the salon, which I know is kind of a pain in the tushy, and you're gonna save money in the long run, okay? So you put the glue on the bottom. The next thing you're gonna do is take the glue and just put it right at the base of where the nail is broke. Again, you guys, be really aggressive with it, okay? And then you're just gonna match these up together. You're gonna match these up together and wow. So at first you're gonna do this and you're gonna be like, oh, this isn't gonna work because you're not gonna have patience. That's what I did the first time I ever did this. I was like, this isn't gonna work. But you have to just hold it there for a couple seconds. As soon as it adheres to each part, it is gonna work, I promise you. It's starting to drip down. And this is the worst part right here where your skin gets attached to some of the glue. Voila! You guys, you can't even see like where it was broke. So I'm gonna hold it here for a couple more seconds. This is why it's so important to go retrieve the broken nail. I broke a nail, I was walking outside and I cracked it on a door and I thought it was gone. And my little one, she was like, oh my God, I can see it. So my little one ran and got it for me. Thank goodness. And then you're gonna take the glue and just paint it right over that crack. So it's super smooth and it has extra adhesive. I love taking a little bit more of it and also putting it right on the back of the nail. Again, you guys, be aggressive with adding the glue, okay? More is definitely more in this situation, in this scenario. I know we always say less is more, but when we're reapplying a long coffin nail with nail glue to avoid going to the salon and getting it fixed, more is more. Okay, girls? So I also want to let you know that I would really invest just like a couple more dollars. Do not get the generic glue. It is worth it because do the math. So this was $10 at Claire's. I can't believe I'm like giving them a shout out, but it works. This glue totally works. Okay, just gonna put a little bit more on and that's it. Voila, your nail is totally fixed. Okay, obviously you want to wait till this is completely dry, but it does not take that long. your nail is totally fixed. Uh-oh, I have a little bit of a glooper coming down. I'm just gonna make sure that all of that is smoothed out. So let me just kind of get that what is it would be like a glooper. Okay, all right guys, that's it. Super easy. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be going over a bunch of tips. We're also gonna be doing product reviews and just having a blast on here, okay? Okay, and voila, it is done. And that's it. So incredibly easy, right? Remember guys, no pain, no champagne. Make sure you subscribe. Mwah! Love you guys.